Hi, welcome once again to Weekly Physics with Sir Danny. Today I'm going to show you how to solve motion problems that involves acceleration. We all know that acceleration is defined as the change of velocity that happened in a certain period of time. Since velocity is a vector, then we consider also acceleration as a vector. If you are wondering why is the unit meters per second square, it's because if we're going to take a look on the units, meters per second, if we subtract it with meters per second, that's just equal to meters per second divided by seconds. Note that if we're going to divide meters per second with second, that will give us meters per second, which can be written as meters per second. When a certain physical quantity has a unit of meters per second, or meters per second square, then we can consider that object or that certain person or just any object in motion with increasing velocity or decreasing velocity in that matter would be equal to meters per second, then we consider that object to be accelerating if it increases its velocity. But if it decreases its velocity, then that object is decelerating. But it's still considered as acceleration, but the acceleration is on the opposite direction. That's why it is decreasing. The acceleration of an object is considered to be a vector quantity because in acceleration we consider the velocity of the object. Since velocity is a vector quantity and we consider acceleration as a change in velocity, then acceleration must be also a vector quantity. If the object is moving or increasing the velocity going to the positive x direction, then that object is accelerating. But if it's going to the negative x direction, the velocity is going to the negative x direction, it is slowing down, let's say, we consider that also as velocity, but it is decelerating. We mean decelerating as an acceleration but towards the opposite direction.